Alrighty, Dave here, and you've seen the video of Karl building up this awesome whiskey rim. I put on my rotor, I put on my X1 cassette, I have some weights for you, and now I'm just going to put the blue tape that comes in the whiskey package to make it tubeless. I'm going to turn it around to start where the nozzle goes through, and pull it off here. And just for me, I don't have a wheel stand, so I put it back in the frame of my bike. It works very well. And simple as this, just put it right down the middle. There we go. And there it is with the blue tape on it. Goes on quite nicely, all even, gave a nice little overlap. We got the blue tape on. Now we're just going to put, Whisky supplies you with a valve stem. Just putting it inside, push it down, and tighten it in. Now I have the new Bontrager Hodan, just want to say Hodan Tire. I'm going to try that on this one. See how it pumps up. It is a tubeless ready tire already. There you go, make that in there tight. So we're going to put the tire on. I'm going to put about 2 ounces in here. Go. There you go. You can do it without a tire iron. There we go. There we go. Without a tire iron. A little mess here in my room. Get them up. Alrighty. And I have the, take the valve out. The pump is already pumped up to 100 psi. I'm using the new Bontrager flashlight charger. There we go. Have it on full. Open her up. Look at that. Pops right on. Beautiful. Look at that, it even pops on. That's a beautiful sound. Beautiful. Looking at the seam all around here, looks nice and on, beaded. This side looks nice. All the way around. Look at that, perfectly set already. Gonna give a little more. There we go. I'm now ready to ride.